Hi guys, my name is Michaela, and the tool that I'll be talking about today is called Nearpod.com. So, Nearpod.com is a website designed for students grades K through 12 and their teachers. Okay, so next I'm going to go over some of the features. It provides teachers with an entire library of pre-made slide presentations that allow students to interact on multiple devices. The site also provides slides for different topics and subjects for each grade level, so like grade 3 math or 5th grade science, and teachers can track the level of participation and answers of their students, and they can create games and bell ringer activities based off of the lessons they've created. So when you first create your Nearpod account, you start off as a silver member, which is the free version where you get access to interactive lessons, polls, games, quizzes, and open-ended questions. Then you can upgrade to a gold membership for $10 a month, which gives you access to assigning your own homework, virtual field trips, websites, and videos. And lastly, you can become a platinum member for $29 a month and be granted full access to everything the site has to offer. And they even have a get a quote option for school districts or departments that want to use this for themselves. Okay, so for the pros and cons, some pros are that the teachers can track the progress of their students. Students are forced to interact in the lessons because it shows the percentage of how much student participation the teacher gets, and there are different ways to review the information taught in the slides, and is accessible on almost all devices, so computers, iPads, their phones. One of the cons is that not every presentation is free, and some have to be purchased. Okay, so now going on over to Nearpod, I've already logged into my account, and I actually made a teacher account. So you can see here the membership that I have, which is just silver. And if we were in class, I would have you guys actually set up student accounts so you could see using this code right here, you could interact with the lessons, and then I could show you the participation in the lessons. But since we're not in class, I'm just going to show you guys a few of the features really quick. So I set up a collaborative lesson and collaboration board. So this is the first live lesson. So if you guys were here with me, you guys would use this code and we would go over these together where you can actually click options and really interact with the lesson, which I think is really cool. And then you'll see after every slide, after you guys interact, it'll actually show me the presentation. So I'm just going to give it a second to do that. So this is the vocabulary. And then it opens up the classroom results where I would see everybody's data and the responses that I got from all of you. Then this is another vocabulary. And then you would get the actual participation percentage. And then it asks your students how they feel. So you could also see how they feel about the information that you just presented to them. So that's a quick interactive lesson. And then it actually has all your credits and sources for you. So I'm just going to exit out of this really quick. And then I'm going to show you the collaboration board. But first, I'm going to show you the library that they have. So this is all of the information that they offer. So you can see all the different subjects, math, ELA, social studies, life skills, technology, languages. So then I'm going to go ahead and filter into the free section where you can see they come in bundles most of the time. But these are all the free lessons that you can use in your classroom with just a silver membership. So back to that collaboration board. It literally is just a pin board, so you would use another code to get access to the board. I'm actually going to allow myself as a teacher to filter the responses because, you never know like what age level you'll be dealing with, so you want to make sure you can filter the responses that are actually posted on your screen. So I'm going to type in a question just saying, how are you feeling today? And then I'm going to go ahead and click post. It may take a second. Mine does not have to be filtered by me because I am the teacher. But if you were to write a response, I would have to filter it and then it would be posted and everyone would see your response on the board, which I think is really great. And I think it's a great way to start your class just to get the tone of the classroom that day. Okay, so wrapping it up with some true or false questions. So number 1, can teachers access all the presentations in the Nearpod library? It's actually false. You need to pay for subscriptions. And number 2, can you track individual students' responses and progress? That one is true because you can track responses, progress, and participation. Thank you for listening, and I hope you guys are all staying safe and staying home during this crazy, crazy time.